hours are proper close. They look like they're coming from They're coming from somewhere on Coronation Road. Because I can see. Yeah?
I've got mine on camera right now.
Take that one. You can see mine properly because you can see the houses and everything. Oh, they're doing small ones here because you can see them flashing. I'm going down to Skinning Grove on Monday.
Look, there's one.
Look like they sound like they're banging on your window. Oh wow! What? Pardon? In Harry's room, Mum, they look like they're right in front of you. They look like they're right in front of you. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa, they're mint, Harry.
Yeah.
Look at all the steam coming off from them. Dad! Do you want to come watch them? Look, you can see them. Fireworks, like full on. I don't know. Just look out this window, they'll come on in a minute. They look like they're coming up from your house.
What, from our house?
Yeah.
Maybe doing them next door then.
No, but it's coming on from Coronation Road, somewhere like that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, I don't know. Like that.
You can coming up in a minute. I just got a video of them all there, watch. Probably doing little ones at the moment. That's them ones right there.
That's the one.
This is what Skinning Grove bonfire looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's Santa's sleigh.
Yeah, I saw it, yeah.
What's this?
I'll show you in a minute. Oh, Pooh Dad comes up and they don't even come on.